Friends, welcome to this dedicated learning space for Vedic Maths. This channel is creative and academic oriented. In this video, we shall explore some more magic tricks to solve large multiplications within few seconds. We shall learn the multiplication of numbers, one number above the base and another below the base. Friends, let's go ahead. Friends, let us solve a simple problem to multiply 48 into 49. Let us take the theoretical base as 100 and working base as 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. Then deficiency of 48 is minus 2 and the deficiency of 49 is minus 1. To get the left part of the answer, 48 minus 1 is equal to 47 and 49 minus 2 also is equal to 47. Both are same. 47 is the partial left part of the answer. You know, working base is obtained by dividing theoretical base 100 by 2. So, the partial left part of the answer must also be divided by 2. Therefore, 47 divided by 2 is equal to 23 and a half. 47 being odd, its division by 2 gives fractional quotient 23 and a half. So, half of the theoretical base must be added to the right part of the answer. To get the right part of the answer, minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 2. But the theoretical base is 100. It has 2 zeros. So, 2 must be written as 02. This 02 is the partial right part of the answer. Therefore, half into 100 is equal to 50. By adding this 50 to the partial right part of the answer 02, we get 02 plus 50 is equal to 52. This 52 is the final right part of the answer and final left part of the answer is 23. Therefore, 48 into 49 is equal to 2352. Hope you understood the process clearly. Friends, let's go ahead to solve another problem. Friends, now let us solve to multiply 249 into 246. Let us take the theoretical base as 1000 and working base as 1000 divided by 4 is equal to 250. Deficiency of 249 is minus 1 and the deficiency of 246 is minus 4. To get the left part of the answer, 249 minus 4 is equal to 245 and 246 minus 1 is equal to 245. Both are same. 245 is the partial left part of the answer. You know, working base is obtained by dividing theoretical base by 4. So, the partial left part of the answer 245 must also be divided by 4. Therefore, 245 divided by 4 is equal to 61 1/4. 245 being odd, division by 4 gives the fractional quotient 61 1/4. So, 1/4 of the theoretical base must be added to the partial right part of the answer after getting it. To get the right part of the answer, minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 4, but theoretical base is 1000. It has 3 zeros, so 4 must be written as 004. This is the partial right part of the answer. Now, 1/4 of 1000 is equal to 250. This must be added to 004. Therefore, 004 plus 250 is equal to 254. This is the final right part of the answer, and 61 is the final left part of the answer. Therefore, 249 into 246 is equal to 61,254. Friends, if you do it mentally, I am sure you will get the answer within few seconds. Friends, now you know the procedure clearly. Therefore, I would like to explain the process of mental thinking in the short. We want to multiply 6123 into 5999. Theoretical base is 1000. Working base is 1000 into 6 is equal to 6000. Difference of 6123 is equal to plus 123, and efficiency of 5999 is minus 1. 6123 minus 1 is equal to 6122, and 5999 plus 123 also is equal to 6122. 6122 into 6 is equal to 36732. It is the partial left part of the answer. To get the right part of the answer, minus 1 into plus 123 is equal to minus 123. It is the partial right part of the answer and is negative. So, complement of minus 123 is equal to 1000 minus 123 is equal to 877. This is the final right part of the answer. Because we have taken the complement of the right part of the answer, 36732 minus 1 is equal to 36731. Therefore, 6123 into 5999 is equal to 36731,877. So simple, isn't it? Friends, I have narrated in words. If you do it mentally, you will get the answer within few seconds. Try it. Friends, finally, let us multiply 8765 into 7998. Theoretical base is 1000 and working base is equal to 1000 into 8, and that is equal to 8000. Difference of 8765 is 765, and the deficiency of 7998 is minus 2. 8765 minus 2 is equal to 8763, and 7998 plus 765 is equal to 8763. 8763 into 8 is equal to 70104. This is the partial left part of the answer. To get the right part of the answer, minus 2 into plus 765 is equal to minus 1530. It is the partial right part of the answer and is negative. Theoretical base is 1000. It has 3 zeros. So minus 1 of minus 1530 must be carried over to the left part of the answer. So 70104 minus 1 is equal to 70103. Partial right part of the answer is minus 530. Complement of minus 530 is 1000 minus 530 is equal to 470. This is the final right part of the answer. Since we have taken the complement of minus 530, 70103 minus 1 is equal to 70102. This is the final left part of the answer. Therefore, 8765 into 7998 is equal to 70102,470. Very easy, isn't it? Hope you have enjoyed seeing this video. Let us meet again for a different Vedic Maths magic tricks. Thank you for watching this video.